City dwellers cultivate nature in boxes, vacant lots, and between sidewalk cracks. At PS 333 on New York City's Upper West Side, nature thrives in a classroom, on the roof.
What you sort of have is almost a whole food chain here, minimizing waste and exploring the symbiosis that exists in nature.
This is a fish farm.
It's called aquaponics, and it's a mix between aquaculture and hydroponics.
And it's good for the plants because like the fish poop that they poop out.
The plants will kind of eat it and use it as fertilizer and nutrients. They will clean up the water so that the fish don't have to swim in their own waste.
Instead of the traditional ribbon-cutting ceremony, family and friends were invited to a lettuce-cutting ceremony to dedicate the greenhouse.
Over there is beets and radishes and some basil. I like to eat broccoli, potatoes, more potatoes. Here is tango lettuce. Snap peas. We have arugula, red kale.
Well, actually, it's not about growing cabbages or lettuces. Exactly, it's introducing, using urban farming to learn about environmental science and bringing science education into a different level.
We can monitor all the changes in temperature, humidity, solar radiation, and carbon dioxide inside and outside the greenhouse.
The cool part is like the fans turn off when it's cold and they turn on when it's hot automatically, and like the roof also opens up when it's sunny.
So that the plants don't die.
The greenhouse is all organic.
We found a lot.
Pests are eliminated the old-fashioned way,
Tiffany, I found another one.
by hand.
Found it. Oh, I killed it.
We did school-wide studies of the types of waste we have, and a lot of them said it's from lunches. So whenever possible, we try to have compost bins in the classrooms.
The rooftop laboratory is a model for collecting and recycling wastewater.
It's coming straight from the roof, and you can follow the actual piping. So that gray pipe there is channeling the water from the gutter and actually through a filtration device and then into the rainwater storage.
These are pepper plants. The water goes through these tubes, and they get their water and their nutrients. So that's how we save water. So this is a much better process.
We need to build these so that the children can learn and then create solutions of their own.
We don't use dirt, we use this rock wool. It is rock that is heated to extremely high temperatures, and then you spin it like wool, so it turns into very foamy, like a little foamy thing. And then you poke a little hole, and then you put in the seed, and it'll start sprouting like that.
We also have an evaporative cooling system, which is this interesting honeycomb wall over here. It's very efficient. It's much more efficient than conventional air conditioning.
And all these tools allow us to keep a climate in here that makes the plants happy, but also minimizes our energy bill. So we're sustainable with regard to water, we're sustainable with regard to energy.
You guys want one?
Can you eat it? Are they edible?
Yes, of course it's edible.
Yay!
There's really nothing particularly special about this roof other than there's a remarkable community underneath this roof that made this project come together first.